This tutorial video will demonstrate how to complete the attribute Gauge R&R example in Minitab. For detailed information on how to interpret the results, please refer to the Lean Six Sigma and Minitab Pocket Guide. The Minitab data file for this example is called GR&R attribute.mpj. The worksheet in this file contains all of the data that will be used for this analysis. Column 1 contains the numbers assigned to each of the parts, and by scrolling down we can see that there were 30 parts used within this study. Columns 2 through 10 contain all of the assessment results for the parts. Within this, columns 2 through 4 contain the 3 decisions made by the appraiser called Tom. Columns 5 through 7 contain the 3 decisions made by Dick, and columns 8 through 10 contain the results for Harry. Finally, column 11 contains the expert's decision for each part. This is considered to be the correct decision and will be included in the analysis in order to assess if the appraisers were making the correct decisions. In order to complete the attribute Gauge R&R analysis, go to Stat, Quality Tools, Attribute Agreement Analysis. In this example, the data has been recorded in multiple columns within the worksheet, so we select the Multiple Columns input option. Columns 2 through to 10 need to be included in the analysis, and this can be done by selecting column 2, then holding down the Shift key and selecting column 10. Then click Select. Minitab then needs to know how many appraisers were involved and the number of trials for each appraiser. So enter 3 appraisers here and 3 trials here. If you want Minitab to use the appraisers' names in the output, then enter them here in the order that they appear in the worksheet, like so. If you have a known standard such as the expert's decision contained in column 11, then it can be entered here. For this example, we also want an assessment disagreement table, which can be selected under Options here. Click both OK boxes to complete the attribute Gauge R&R analysis. The graphical output contains 2 charts. The interpretation of these charts is explained in the Pocket Guide, but in short, the left chart shows how repeatable the appraisers are, and the right chart shows how correct they are against the expert's decision in column 11. The session window contains the numerical output from the analysis. Again, the interpretation of this output is explained in detail in the Pocket Guide, but summarized here. The Within Appraisers table provides the numerical detail behind the left chart already seen. And the Appraiser versus Standard table provides the detail behind the right chart. Minitab also then provides an Assessment Disagreement table that provides detail on the types of mistakes the appraisers were making, a Between Appraisers table that shows how often the appraisers agreed with each other, and an Appraisers versus Standard table that shows how often all the appraisers agreed with the expert decision. Finally, because it was selected as an option in this example, Minitab then provides an Assessment Disagreement table that contains further information on the errors that were made during the study. That completes this Minitab tutorial video for attribute Gauge R&R.